Welcome to Antarctica, a land that seems frozen in time. Here, colossal glaciers, towering icebergs, and unique creatures like penguins and seals endure one of the harshest environments on Earth. But this icy continent is more than just a breathtaking landscape. Antarctica is the largest reservoir of ice on the planet, holding over 27 million cubic kilometers of ice. This ice isn't just beautiful, it plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. But imagine if all this ice were to melt. What would happen? In this video, we'll journey into a world where Antarctica is no longer white, and explore the consequences for our entire planet. Get ready to uncover some astonishing and alarming truths. The most immediate and obvious impact of melting Antarctic ice is rising sea levels. Antarctica holds about 60% of the world's fresh water. If all its ice were to melt, sea levels would rise by up to 60 meters. Picture this: major cities like New York, Tokyo, Shanghai, and even large parts of countries like Bangladesh and the Netherlands would be submerged. This isn't science fiction, it's a scientific prediction. Over 500 million people could be forced to abandon their homes and seek refuge elsewhere. But this is just the beginning of a global catastrophe. Melting Antarctic ice doesn't just raise sea levels, it could completely disrupt global weather patterns. Ocean currents, which act like giant conveyor belts regulating Earth's temperature, could be thrown off balance by the influx of fresh water from melting ice. The result? More intense storms, catastrophic flooding, and unprecedented droughts in different parts of the world. Imagine one region experiencing relentless rains that submerge entire cities, while another faces droughts so severe that not a drop of water can be found. This is the future we could face if Antarctica's ice melts. Polar animals will be the first victims of this disaster. Penguins, polar bears, seals, and countless other species depend on Antarctica's ice for survival. Imagine penguins with no place to nest, or polar bears forced to swim longer distances to find food. But the impact isn't limited to the poles. Marine ecosystems worldwide would also suffer. Coral reefs would die, fish populations would shift, and the entire ocean food chain would be disrupted. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's a global crisis that affects us all. Rising sea levels and climate disruption would also devastate the global economy. Industries like agriculture, fishing, and tourism would face unprecedented challenges. Farmlands would flood, fish populations would vanish, and beautiful coastlines would become memories preserved only in photographs. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Millions of people would be forced to flee their homes, leading to mass migrations and potential conflicts over dwindling resources like water and food. This is a future no one wants to face. But not all hope is lost. We can still prevent this disaster. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and protecting our environment are crucial steps we can take. Every small action matters. Planting trees, reducing plastic use, and supporting green technologies are all part of the solution. We can build a better future, but only if we act today. Antarctica isn't just a remote continent, its fate is tied to the fate of us all. If we act now, we can protect this beautiful planet and preserve it for future generations. Remember, Earth is the only home we have. Let's take care of it together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, goodbye.